Hello friends, I am MEGHANA Singh Rajotia, Rank-3 in Rajasthan prepg Agriculture entrance exam that was conducted on 29th of September. In this particular video, I'll be doing a complete analysis of the paper. So let us start. Question number 1. Papaya ring spot virus is having a genetic material as. Options are given as follows. Answer to this will be ssRNA. Second question. Trade name of pyribag sodium herbicide is, options are given as follows. Answer to this will be nominee gold. Pyribag sodium herbicide is nominee gold. Tembotrione is Lourdes. Penoxidine is Axial. And halosulfuron methyl is Fosembra. Next, basipetal movement in the plant is shown by which fungicide? Now the options are Bavestin, Metalaxyl, Etaconazole or Fossetyl AL. Answer to this will be Fossetyl AL, which is symplastic in basipetal, and apoblastic or acropetal is Benomyl or carbendazole or carboxyl. Okay, now question number 4. Horizon, which is formed as a result of pedogenic processes and having distinct properties or features that can be described in terms of measurable soil properties, is known as. This is a definition of diagnostic horizon, so the answer will go definitely diagnostic horizon B. Question number 5. When MP is more than AP, then AP is maximum, it is decreasing, increasing, or it remains constant. Well, in the classical production curve, in the first zone, which is the irrational zone, when EP is more than 1 and MP is more than AP, then definitely AP is increasing. So the answer to this will be C, increasing. Coming to question number 6. Powdery mildew of mango is caused by. Options are given as follows. Answer will be Oidium mangifera indica. Option number B. Now, question number 7. Major insect pest of teak will be Hybla puri, which is also known as a teak defoliator. Then, coming to question number 8. Pusa anupam variety of brinjal was developed by. Option number A, crossing Pusa Kranti into PPC. This you have to remember. Now question number 9. The book Extension Education was written by whom? Answer to this will be B, Eddie V. Reddy. This is also a type of question which you have to remember. Then question number 10. Which of the following climate classification was modified by ICRISAT? Troll, Thornthwaite, Lang or Modneys? Answer to this will be Troll. Coming to question number 11. Flower color of Terenia indica is white. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a part of P.K. Nair agroforestry classification? All these structural bases, ecological bases and functional bases are the part, while physiognomic basis is not a part. Then coming to question number 13. As per FSI report 2019, total forest and tree cover in India is how much percent? Answer to this will be C, 24.56. This also you have to remember. This is a data-based question which always comes in exams, and this you have to remember. Then question number 14. Amount of food which is given to an animal at a time or in portion at intervals in 24 hours is. This is a definition of ration. Then coming to question number 15. German system. This Wolf-Elbau is similar to which type of system? Answer to this among the options is Tongia system. Then coming to question number 16. Which of the following can withstand both drought and waterlogging? Options are given as follows. Finger millet, little millet, foxtail millet and kodo millet. Answer to this will be little millet. Now coming to question number 17. Which of the following is a foliar nematode? Aplingoids. This is given in Nimratsunda. Then question number 18. In which of the following acclimatization is more rapid? Options are self-pollinated, grass, often grass or vegetatively propagated. Well, a naturally cross-pollinated crop will adapt itself more in a new environmental condition quickly than self-pollinated crop because genetically variable population can adapt more easily. So the answer to this will be B, cross-pollinated. Then which of the following is a simple interest disease? Options are given as follows: late blight of potato, stem rust in wheat, vascular wilt, and powdery mildew. Now, I would like to explain what exactly a simple interest disease is. Now, in this, there's only one generation of pathogen in the life of an affected crop. Examples include low smut in wheat and vascular wilt, while in compound interest diseases, many generations of pathogen in the life of the crop are observed. Examples are leaf blight of potato, stem rust of wheat, etc. Coming to question number 20. In the ideal surface soil, the solid, liquid, gaseous phase exists in which proportion? And the answer to this will be option number A, solid 50%, liquid 25%, and in gaseous form it is 25%. Now coming to question number 21, which is a definite outline of procedures or activities for solving the problems of an extension program? Answer is plan of work. This is a definition of plan of work actually. Now coming to question number 22. The firing order of 4-cylinder engine is given by 1342. This firing order you have to remember. Then question number 23. How many tons of seed cane is required to raise the setting for transplanting in 1 hectare area of sugar cane, which is a space transplanting technique? Now, space transplanting technique was developed by IISL Lucknow. In this, seeds are raised by planting single bud sets in a nursery about a month before transplanting in the main field, and around 2 tons of seed canes are required. So the answer to this will definitely go B, 2. Well, I think I did some mistake here. Okay, 24th. The highly wind erosion affected state is, options are given, MP, Gujarat, AP and Rajasthan. In this, the answer will go D, Rajasthan. Coming to question number 25, the minimum wind velocity required to initiate the movement of soil particles is threshold velocity. Well, this is the definition of threshold velocity. Now, question number 26. The usual diameter class which is used in India. Options are these. Now, in forest mensuration, generally the diameter class of 1, 3, 5 centimeter is used in India. Okay. Now, coming to question number 27th. Which of the cell organelle is surrounded by single membrane? Chloroplast, mitochondria, all these are double membrane, while peroxisome is a single membrane structure. So the answer will go A. Question number 28. The example of ketose sugar is. Now, ketose sugar is a type of sugar which contains ketone group in their chemical structure, and examples of ketose sugar are fructose, xylulose, ribulose. So the answer will go C, fructose. 29th. In Arachnida, the cephalothorax consists of 4 pair of walking legs. Okay. Now, question number 30. Heavy mortality in care, sisu, is due to the root rot of, answer will be 4th, Ganoderma lucidum. Now, question number 31. Which is a first evidenced plant? Options are given: Kadamba, Narcissus, Sal, and People. Answer will be Ficus religiosa, People, which is the oldest plant. Coming to question number 32. The white leghorn breed of poultry belongs to which class? This will be a Mediterranean class because in Asiatic class Brahma is there, and in English class Cornish is an example. Now in American, Rhode Island Red, New Hampshire, while in Mediterranean Leghorn, mostly questions are asked from American and Mediterranean classes. So this is a type of question from which you have to remember these two classes examples. Coming to question number 33. In Griffith 1928 experiment, which form of virulent bacteria that secreted a polysaccharide covering capsule and causes pneumonia in mice? Answer to this will be smooth form, because smooth form is most virulent form. Now question number 34. The bug Teleonemia scrupulosa is employed bioagent against lantana, and it itself is called lantana lace bug, while Zygogramma bicolorata for Parthenium. Okay. Now question number 35. Entrepreneurship Development Institution of India is in which state? Well, this is a city. Ahmedabad is the answer to this. Question number 36. What is the value of return sacrificed or foregone from the next best alternative activity? Answer to this will be opportunity cost. It's the definition of opportunity cost. Question number 37. Unit of pH is percent molar per liter. Answer to this will be D, unitless, because it has no unit. Now coming to question number 38. Which is a non-PCR based molecular marker? Options are RPPD, AFLP, CAPS, while all these are non-PCR, all these are PCR based, while RFLP is a hybridization based marker. So the answer will go C, RFLP. Coming to question number 39. The removal of thin and fairly uniform layer of soil from the land surface by the runoff water is sheet erosion. This is the definition of sheet erosion. Question number 48. The first regulated market, Karanjia cotton market, was established in what year? 1886. This you have to remember. Question number 41. Who suggested convergent improvement method of improving the inbred lines without altering their proven combining ability? Answer to this will be retained 1927. Question number 42. The largest phylum of animal kingdom is Arthropoda. Question number 43. Which crop has China as a secondary center of origin? Now, China is a primary center of origin for soybean, radish, brinjal, opium poppy, etc. But it's a secondary center of origin for maize. Okay, so the answer will go B, maize. Question number 44. India has how much percent water resources of the world? Answer will be B, 4%. Question number 45. The science which is dealing with the influence of soils on the living things, particularly plants, including the human beings, uses for the land for plant growth is known as edaphology. This is a definition of edaphology. Coming to question number 46. Clamp connection is found in members of. This is a characteristic feature of Basidiomycetes, clamp connection, so you have to learn this. Question number 47. Soil application of phorate 10G granular form at 20 kg per hectare is done to control white bug. Well, this is the best control of crop, this carbofuran or phorate. Now, coming to question number 48. The fire blight of apple was caused by. This is a very famous question, and answer to this will be Arenia amylovora. Question number 49. Which part of the plant has the horizontal growth habit? Now, offset grows laterally. Crown is of course the head. Sucker grows from the base of the tree, while runner is the most appropriate answer, and it has the horizontal growth habit. Question number 50. Which machine is not suitable for zero-till planting of the crops under surface residue condition? Answer to this will be D, time opener, zero-till drill. Question number 51. The Government of India launched this program in 1986 to increase the production of oilseeds and to reduce the import and achieve self-sufficiency in the edible oils. CAPART is the Council for Advancement of People's Action in Rural Technology, and IAAP is Intensive Agriculture Area Program. IADP is Intensive Agricultural District Program, while TMO is a Technology Mission in Oilseeds. So the most appropriate answer will be D, TMO. Coming to question number 52, which is the ICR's research reposition for the research management? And answer will be Krishi, which is a knowledge-based resource information systems hub for innovation in agriculture. This is an initiative of ICR, and it is a research repository system of ICR consisting of technology, data generation, etc. Question number 53. Monoclimax theory of plant succession was proposed by whom? And answer will be Clemens, C. Question number 54. Which is a water-soluble fixed-type food preservative? Options are given as follows, and the most appropriate one will be arsenic copper chromate. Question number 55. Principles of Population book was written by Thomas Robert Malthus, B. Question number 56. Who proposed the first persuasive communication model? And answer will be Aristotle, because he gave the first communication model. Now, question number 57, example of day-neutral plant is. Options are given as follows, and the answer will be kidney bean, Phaseolus vulgaris. Now, question number 58, simple arithmetic mean of these figures is what? So, what you have to do, you have to add all these and divide it by the total number, which is 10. So, when you divide it, then the answer will come 16.4. Question number 59. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Now on the left hand side, the name of toxins are given, while on the right hand side, it acts on which plant that's given. So Coheed Hispania is not correctly matched, while all others are correctly matched. Now coming to question number 60. Which plant hormone causes the plant tropism? And this is auxin. 61. Which variety of chili is suitable for extraction of capsaicin? Punjab Lal is rich in capsaicin, so it is definitely extracted from this particular variety. So the answer will go D, Punjab Lal. 62. Calculate the harvest index of the maize is if the grain yield is 5 tons per hectare, shelling percentage is 75, and store yield is 10.5 tons per hectare. Now in this, what you have to do, as we know that grain yield is given 5 and shelling percentage is given 75. So what you do, 5 into 75 upon 100. Okay, whatever that will come, that actually is the grain yield divided by store plus grain yield. So the answer will come all around 0.2 in this case. Now coming to question number 63, artificial sweetener called aspartame or NutraSweet is. Answer to this is, well, it's a dipeptide which is made up of 2 amino acids, aspartic acid and phenylalanine. So the answer will go B, dipeptide. Coming to question number 64, imbalanced fertilization, nutrient toxicity, environmental pollution, deterioration of soil health, low nutrient use efficiency, it can be managed by adopting nutrient recommendations. Okay, C. Question number 65. Factors which are affecting the water erosion is expressed as where EW is erosion caused due to the action of water, and it depends upon climate, topography, vegetation and soils. So the answer will go A. Question number 66. The act of giving birth to the young ones after completion of gestation period is parturition. So definition of parturition in this. Coming to question number 67. In structural changes in the chromosome, which type of change is not included? Well, deletion, translocation and inversion are all structural changes, while nullsonics is not that type. Coming to question number 68, reaction of rock phosphate with phosphoric acid results in. Answer will be TSP, because TSP and SSP are made by reaction of rock phosphate and H2SO4, while TSP is made by rock phosphate and phosphoric acid. So the answer will go as C. Question number 69. Negative income effect is stronger than the positive substitution effect for. Answer will be given goods. 70th. Gene for gene hypothesis was given by Chich-Flaw. You have to learn this. Question number 71. Which ratio shows the relationship between total assets and total liabilities? Debt capital ratio. It is actually total assets divided by total liabilities. So the answer will be C. 72. Which phylum in animal kingdom represents snails and slugs? The answer to this will be molluscan. Question number 73. The hand collection of insect is a biological, mechanical, chemical or physical method. Well, in this question one can get confused between mechanical method and physical method. So to clarify that, physical control is basically the use of temperature, moisture, light traps, radiation, etc. While in mechanical method, it is hand collection. Okay. Now coming to question number 74. In pomology, pomum is derived from which word? It's a Latin word. In 75, which one is inorganic sulfur compound used as a fungicide? Answer to this will be lime sulfur, which is an inorganic sulfur compound. Question number 76 is match the following, in which on the left hand side series A is given, while on the right hand side series B. Now you have to match, like soybean will be for Rhizoctonia japonicum, cowpea will be Rhizoctonia species, berseem is Rhizoctonia trifoli. Trifoli is the species of berseem, and in leucine it is Rhizoctonia medullotai. So the answer will go D. Question number 77. Which is a series of illustrated cards when flashed or presented in a proper sequence till complete story? They tell complete story, sorry. Answer to this will be flashcards. Flannel graph is for a storytelling system. Okay, so the answer will be A, flashcards. Question number 78. Closed floor space requirement for car is. This also you have to learn. It is 3.5 meters square. Question number 79. Biotic components, producers, consumers, decomposers are structural components of D, ecosystem. 88. Lactic acid bacteria used for pickling are most active at what temperature? They are most active at 30 degrees Celsius. Question number 81. Based on the temporal arrangement of agroforestry systems, home garden is an example of. Interpolated. Well, in interpolated, different components occupy the space, like home garden. Concomitant type, example will be Tongia. Coincident may be when two components like woody or non-woody occupy the land together, while an intermittent type, when annual crops are grown along with the perennial crops. So the most appropriate answer to 81 will be interpolated type. Question number 82. Which is an indeterminate variety of tomato? Answer will be A, Saruhi. Question number 83. Recorded forest area in Rajasthan as per FSI 2019 is how much percent of the geographical area? Answer to this will be 9.57%. Question number 84. Which is believed to be the primary center of origin for sorghum? It is Africa, so definitely the answer will go A, Northeast Africa. Question number 85. What is the name of the part of the plant where the stigma emerges from the terminal end of the cob? Silk, which is the female part of the plant, so definitely answer will go D, silk. Question number 86. In the ultrastructure of mitochondria, the inner membrane has series of inside folds which is known as cristae. B. Coming to question number 87. Which tissue culture technique is used to obtain the virus-free plants? Ovule culture, meristem culture, anther culture, on all of these? Well, the answer to this will be B, meristem culture. Question number 88. In rotation of the double helix, which groove allows the binding to the non-histone proteins? Now, in the major groove, the DNA binding proteins are bound, so the answer will be major groove A. 89. The discharge rate of drip emitters usually ranges from. Answer will be B, 2 to 10 liters per hour. Question number 90. The chlorosis, necrosis, reddening, stunting, new growth cessation, etc. of the plants are characterized as A. Visual nutrient toxicity symptoms. B. Usual nutrient deficiency symptoms. Sorry, it is visual. C. Visual frost injury symptoms. And D. Visual water stress symptoms. Answer to this will be usual nutrient toxicity symptoms. Visual, sorry. Question number 91. These are customary ways of behaving in the society in which the society exerts some force for conformity, and answer to this will be folkways. This is a definition of folkways. 92. Proponent of Marthandam Rural Development Program is given by Spencer Hatch A. 93. Which is a gynodioecious variety of papaya? Options are given as follows, and the answer to this will be Surya. 94. Which of the following is the total root parasite of the plants? Well, this question I have learned by this mnemonic clause, where Cuscuta is a total stem parasite, L is Lauranthus, it's a partial stem parasite, CLO Orobanki is total root parasite, and S striga is a partial root parasite. So this way you can solve this question. Coming to question number 95, prosthetic group of the alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme is zinc. 96. The garden architect Repton is associated with which type of garden? Italian, English, French, or Persian? The answer to this will be English garden. 97. Muscles used to operate the appendages in the insects are A. Abductor muscles. Coming to question number 98. The soil texture classes having the highly desirable properties for most of the uses. A is sand, B is silty clay, C is loam, and D is sandy loam. Answer to this will be loam. Now question number 99. In which of the following method computerizes the control holding pipette used for introduction of the foreign data? And the answer to this will be micro-injection. Now this is the last question. Exoskeleton, functional wings, small size that support locomotion are adaptations for which insect dominates in nature. This is a structural characteristic. Answer will be C, structural. So this is the end of my video. I have given a complete analysis of the whole paper that was conducted, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can write me down on the comment section given below. I hope you all liked it. Please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.